There's something happening right now that's becoming harder to ignore. Women are making moves in numbers that are starting to form a pattern. These moves are not always visible from the outside, but if you're paying attention, it's very clear. The way women are defining professional ambition is changing. The ones who have spent years mastering their craft are starting to shape their work in entirely new ways. And it doesn't always look like we've been taught to expect. It's showing up in a small number of deeply aligned clients, work that reflects a clear point of view, schedules and structures that are intentionally designed. There's ownership in it, there's clarity in it, and what stands out is how focused it is. And it isn't a diluted version of success, it's far more concentrated. So, what is driving this? Well, at a certain point, something shifts internally. There's a deeper awareness of how you want to spend your time, what kind of work actually feels meaningful, and where your energy is best used. And with that awareness comes a different set of decisions, more intentional, more selective. There's less interest in following a prescribed path and more interest in creating work that reflects who you are and the impact you want to make. And this is from experience that's been built over time. What's changing is your relationship to ambition altogether. Now, a lot of women already have the confidence. They know what they're capable of. What's been missing is a structure that fully supports that. And that's what's starting to take shape. Work that runs on their terms and reflects their standards, and this allows for a greater level of depth and meaning. When those places come together, something clicks. Decisions become clearer. Positioning gets stronger. Momentum builds in a very different way. Now, let me be clear, what's happening right now isn't isolated. It's happening across industries, across roles, across different stages of career. Individually, it can feel like a personal shift. Collectively, it's something entirely different. It's the redefinition of personal power. The models being created quietly, intentionally, are becoming reference points. The way work is being designed in small practices, advisory roles, and portfolio careers is starting to influence how others think about what's possible. This is how a movement forms. Not all at once, but through consistent individual decisions that begin to point in the same direction. The women I work with are right in the middle of this. They're building something that reflects who they are now with more clarity, more ownership, and a different kind of momentum. And that's the work I do within Beyond, supporting women who are making these transitions in real time, creating structure around that shift so what you're building is not only aligned, but it's sustainable. If you're noticing this in your own work, what's starting to shift for you? If this topic resonated, be sure to hit subscribe and be the first to know when new content drops.